Opioid disaster declaration ends today after the Republican-controlled legislature chose not to extend it.
Daniel Hamburg joins us from our newsroom to explain what it means for those struggling with addiction. Daniel.
Well, Valerie and Alicia, since the governor first signed it in January 2018, he renewed the declaration 15 times, the last time being August 4th. But by and large, the Department of Health says not much will change without it. For those suffering from addiction, getting through the pandemic hasn't been easy.
A lot of people unfortunately relapsed, and a lot of people who were in long-term recovery relapsed. And, even still, there's a lot of people that are suffering.
Since voters gave the legislature the final say on disaster declarations, lawmakers decided to let the opioid declaration expire, which concerns those in the recovery community.
COVID is still here, which means the crisis is still here, and we need to provide help to people and help them get through this.
Republicans say it's time to sit down and figure out legislative solutions, though lawmakers aren't back from their summer recess until late September. Either way, Ray Bereshansky, Deputy Secretary with the Department of Health, says important work will continue.
The weekly meetings of the Opioid Command Center, they'll continue. The naloxone distribution, it will continue.
He says state agencies have been working well together since January 2018 to provide education and training to schools, reduce opioid prescriptions by 40%, and virtually eliminate doctor shopping, to name a few accomplishments.
I want to reiterate, you're not alone. There are resources for you. Our Department of Drug and Alcohol Programs maintains a toll-free hotline that's confidential, and it's staffed 24/7, 365.
In his statement today, Governor Wolf said, quote, "We have an obligation to support individuals desperately in need of substance use disorder services and supports. With or without a disaster declaration, this will remain a top priority of my administration." In the newsroom, Daniel Hamburg, ABC 27 News.